Are you ready to fly? Then let's get started. Last time we created the basic template for our fuselage. It looks good, but let's use some references to make it amazing. Cut. Aside from its problems up close, the Fast 3D model looks very realistic. Now we're going to use it as a template to finish our fuselage to perfection. Now just try to scale and move the mesh so it lines up. It doesn't have to be perfect. Yet. We can clean it up with the remesh modifier. I like using a vocal of 0.007. Set voxel too small and you'll have more mesh than your computer can show. I am going to take a quick break while you figure the rest of this out. From the last video, you know what to do. If your model looks something like this, then your competence has been noted. In my model, I deleted some extra edge loops and did a final merge by distance. Just like me, it's perfect in every way.
I'm Mia AI. I'll see you next time. Please like and subscribe for more of my Blender 5 tutorials.
Wait, what? You're still here? Look, the movie's over. Go home.